Hi everyone, it's Vishmi from Boston Institute, and today we're going to look at adverbs of frequency. So if you have ever had trouble with words like always, usually, often, and you don't really know why you have so many words to talk about something similar, well, today you're going to learn it, right? So all these words, always, usually, often, frequently, they all mean pretty much many times, right? The difference lies in the levels, right? So up to around here, this has a positive meaning, right? And below, probably around there, it goes towards the negative side, right? So I'm going to go through some examples to see if you get it, right? Let's look at always, and we use this always. All right. So if you're a good student and you study every day, you always come to class, you will be like, I always come to class, 100%. Your attendance is 100%. Amazing, right? And then usually it's like 80%. Okay, it's still pretty high. So for an example, I work late, so I usually eat late, right? So I won't be eating at normal people's times. I will be eating at around 10 o'clock or something like that. So I usually eat late. So it's not going to be every day. So on Saturdays and Sundays, I'll probably eat on time when I'm not working. But on the days I'm working, I'll probably eat late. So it's like 80% of the time. Similarly, it means similar to probably, if you know what that means, okay? And then often, that's a little bit below usually. It's like 70%, 60%, like that. So I often come to class. Now that's not good because you have to have 80% attendance, right? But still, I often come to class. That means you come at least 3 days in a week to class, right? Now let's look at the negative side of it. We have sometimes, occasionally, rarely, hardly, never. I'm only going to look at rarely, hardly, never because this is towards the very bottom of the levels, right? So for an example, rarely, I rarely eat lunch means it's very bad for me. It's not good for my health. That means I go for around 30%. I rarely eat lunch. I might eat lunch on Monday. I might eat lunch on Friday. But the other days, I'm not eating lunch. Terrible. Okay? And then I hardly run. Okay? If you don't like exercise, you're not going to run every day, right? You might run to the bus when you're late, but it's not a normal practice. So I hardly run, around 10%. Then you have the absolute 0%, which is never. I never jog. I never go to the gym, right? I don't have the time for it. So I never go to the gym, 0%. I don't even have a gym membership. I hope that gets things clear for you, okay? And you can see that I have a few spaces left for you to fill. And if you have time, please drop us a comment with one of the adverbs that you really want to use. So see you next time.